carry all the trash. You see many things from the shore, from people, from houses, from other restaurant and ours too.
Yeah.
And every day we carry a lot of stuff to clean that, to make it safe for everyone. Take care of you.
This is the barge they're talking about, just to get stuff off the island. And look, they're rebuilding. It looks awesome. Did you have to rebuild from the ground up everything?
Oh yeah.
There's no doubt that they've been really hard at work here on Pinel at Karibuni. It's really starting to come together, and they just had to rebuild from the ground up here. But what they've done is they've rebuilt exactly like it was before, on the same foundation. I was just speaking with Erick, the owner, and he was telling me a little bit about that. So I'll come up here and I'll give you guys a look. They should be open in around 3 weeks. They don't have a date yet, but he said around 3 weeks. So this is the grill, and this is the area where the little retail spot was, where they sold t-shirts and things like that. You can see they're doing some stuff. They're using it as a staging site and doing some other stuff. This is a grill area. This is going to be the restaurant, and they've already got tables and chairs. They were opened for a couple weekend days just to get people out here and to kind of build unity and bring people together. But now they've got they use 7 days a week to rebuild everything here, and hopefully everyone, once they're back up and running in a few weeks, will if you're out here, you should come out here, because obviously it's beautiful. If you've been to Pinel before, you can see this is going to be the bar area. The behind the scenes look. They've got their coolers set up already, ready to go. Plenty of Carib. May have to have one of those in a few minutes. And so I just walked through, and you can see they're doing some grading. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, we're fine.
Awesome. You guys are doing a good job. Looks great.
Oh, thank you so much.
Look in the, hey, the bathroom's there.
Yeah, but the only thing we survived to Irma.
A
little bit of the table just to make up.
So the only thing to survive through Irma, that whole bathroom survived?
Yeah, we don't know why, but it survived.
The weirdest thing about Irma was that bathrooms seemed to survive. They did well. The whole house would be down and there would be a bathroom standing. So good place to be, I guess, if you want to get out of the way. But and the table survived too. So if you want to come to Karibuni, and you probably want that table. It's probably the best table in the house now. And so this is just more of a look at. It looks great. I mean, it really does look really good. They're doing a fantastic job, and just trying to get everything done as quickly as they can to get things open so people can come out here and start enjoying the beautiful island of Pinel. So that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I know I think it's great being able to show you guys this. Can't wait until these guys are open. I know it's going to be packed. A lot of the locals, a lot of the villa owners will be coming out here for sure, and tourists. Hopefully you guys will be able to get out here as well. The flights have been pretty packed, so you got to make your reservations if you want to come. There's a lot of availability in private hotels. I'm staying at the Azure, so check that out. Right on Simpson Bay. SXM strong, guys.